Hello everyone and welcome to our podcast. We're so excited to have you here. But first let me introduce myself. My name is Kirana and I'm originally from Bekasi. I'm here with my amazing friends. First we have
Hi everyone, my name is Vila. I'm from Purwokerto and I'm happy to be here.
Great. Next we have Frida.
Hi, I'm Ida. I'm from Brebes, who are synonymous with salted eggs and red onion. And oh my god, I'm so excited today.
Okay, last but not least we have Neisha.
Hello everyone, I'm Nisha. I'm originally from Jakarta and I'm so excited for today's podcast.
Okay, now we're all introduced. I believe that each of us brings a unique perspective, and we can't wait to share our perspective with you guys. And now let's start with our topic. So, in our generation, Gen Z, we usually do things based on what we like, right? We all know that Gen Z is a generation full of creativity, innovation, and unique talents. Unlike previous generation, we don't just see hobbies as pastime. There are ways to express ourselves, build skills, and even turn passion into careers. Today, we're going to dive into the world of hobbies, talents, and the interesting things that make us who we are. Let's start with hobbies. What do you guys love to do in your free time?
Well, my favorite hobby is swimming because it keeps me active and helps me relax. I always, uh, I always feel refreshed after a good swim.
Wow, that's so cool. I cannot even swim. Let's go swimming together sometime. Okay.
And how about you, Rida?
I really enjoy sports, hiking, cycling. I love being active, explore nature, and challenging myself physically.
So far, how is your experience climbing a mountain? Have you ever met a ghost?
So far, I never met a ghost. Also, there are many stories of people who say there are many ghosts.
That's a cool hobbies. You must have a healthy body. Now let's move to Nisha. Nisha, what's your hobbies?
As for me, my favorite hobby is drawing. I love it since I was a kid. It helps me to express my ideas and creativity.
What do you usually draw? Like animals, nature, or
I usually draw fiction.
fiction?
It's really cool. Your creativity is really good. You can use the imagination to the image.
Okay, wow, we all have different hobbies, whether it's being creative, relaxing, or staying fit.
What about you, Ran? What's your hobby?
I really enjoy making things, especially handcraft items. I love putting my creativity into work by experimenting with different materials or techniques. And I find it incredibly rewarding to create items that reflect my personal style and passion for craftsmanship.
Wow, that's amazing. So, do you have a big collection of your handcraft?
Yes, I have a big collection of my own handmade craft. Now let's talk about talent. Do you think your talent is also your hobbies? I'll go first. For me, since I like to make things, so I think my hobbies is turning things into something more valuable and creative.
Yeah, I feel the same way. My hobby and talents are definitely connected. Swimming has been a big part of my life, and over time, I've become more skilled and confident in the water. I love the challenge of improving myself and trying new techniques.
Oh, that's really cool. For me, I think my talent is endurance and adventure planning. Since I do a lot of sport and outdoor activities, I've learned how to prepare for long hikes and organize cycling trips efficiently. How about you, Nes?
I think my talent is storytelling through art. When I draw, I enjoy creating characters. I I'm also continuously improving my skills.
Those are amazing talents. It's great to see how our talents help us develop our skill that can be useful in life.
Besides hobbies and talents, I want to ask you guys, what's your interest? Maybe I'll go first. I've always been interested in swimming since it's my favorite hobby. I love how it helps me with stamina and improve my technique.
I have a strong interest in understanding color theory and mastery in drawing techniques.
Since I have hobby and skill in crafting, my interest is in learning various techniques and new materials to create more creative and unique works.
I have an interest in conquering the highest mountains in Indonesia, challenging myself with every climb and experiencing beauty of nature from the highest peaks.
Okay, well, I think that's all for today's podcast. We hope you enjoy our discussion about hobbies, talents, and interesting things. And thanks for listening. See you.